Hey folks, and we are back again with another product review on the channel, and today's product that I will be reviewing is my new GoXtreme Enduro action camera, which boasts video quality of up to 4K. My intentions were to use this camera to replace my aging 2K camera, which you can see linked in the description, and the video will also be linked at the end of this review. As always folks, thanks for watching, stay safe and take care. So let's start off with some positives about this little camera. Straight off the bat, its delivered presentation is excellent. It comes well packaged in this cool box with the camera stashed inside this durable, waterproof case situated at the very top, giving you a view of the product straight away. Inside the box there are lots of little mounts for various applications like helmet mounts. You will also find an awesome little remote that can play and stop recording, which is super useful. The ultra-wide 170-degree view enables the GoXtreme Enduro to capture your adventures from a stunning perspective. With the built-in 2-inch 5cm display showing you exactly how your shots are set up as you record. For additional magnificent effects, the multiple extended features include a burst and a time-lapse function. Using these, you can turn any video into your personal and one-off kind of adventure. And to complete the extensive list of features, the camera can be connected to your mobile device via the integrated Wi-Fi function, so sharing your memories with your friends and the world is as easy as it gets. Unfortunately for me, this is where the positives stop. In terms of picture and video quality, my unbranded 2K webcam offers me much better resolution, but the GoPro does offer a 1080p option, which is absolutely fine. This was a giant disappointment, as I had really hoped it would be considerably better than it was. Is it functional? Yes, 100%. The camera works perfectly fine and does everything I asked of it so far. The only issue in that respect is that it does not come with an SD card to store video, so right out of the box you cannot actually record with the camera, but you can use it as a webcam, no problem. This was convenient for me, as all that I was using it for was a webcam. Bear in mind, my intentions for this camera may not have been its strong suit, but for outdoor use I think this little camera would really shine. Of course, after you purchase your own SD card. With a variety of mounts and an excellent waterproof case supplied with the camera, you can mount it on various surfaces, giving you great user support in that respect. Hey folks, so here we have the live feed of my new Enduro GoPro. This is just to test the audio quality, which is not too bad. I have had to add a couple of filters to kind of clean it up a wee bit. I have to set it right beside my PC, so it does pick up a wee bit of the hum. But that's not actually what I'll be using it for. I'm just using it for video, of course. But the mic itself seems to pick up sound pretty well. I say in an outdoor setting it would do reasonably well, and of course probably underwater would also perform quite well. And in terms of video quality, the webcam setting seems to be perfectly fine. I think the webcam setting is 1080 at 60 FPS. Now, as I've mentioned in the review video, it doesn't actually come with an SD card, unfortunately, so I haven't been able to test the quality of 4K recording. But once I have ordered one, once it comes in the post, I will make sure to upload a following video just to show the quality of it. Of course, I will actually be using this camera quite a bit moving forward. But unfortunately, I can't show you that right now, but the video quality and the webcam setting seems perfectly good. I am looking for more of a wide angle, so I have the one I'm using now as a much wider angle, so I'll continue to use that for streaming and stuff. But yeah, the video quality is actually really good, and the sound quality is not too bad either. So thumbs up in that respect, and thanks for watching folks. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.